I have to pry this out. Fix that too. I gotta remove the plastic dip on there first. Then start sanding. It's pretty hot today, but it's not that bad. Sander was taking too long, so it's a shortcut. Picked up today, got this knee covers that goes together. I got a fog light for the driver's side, some timing belts, a clock, 13 button, strut cap, the driver's side tail light, and then the front lip. So I can't wait to put those in. It's a nice little find today. Shout out to Oscar for giving me all these parts today. He threw this in for free as well with the manual for all the E30s. I just sanded this down, wiped it with alcohol, tack clothed it. I'm about to spray the first coat. I'm gonna go over it with a tack cloth one more time to see a little dust on there. It does fit this lip on there. It looks really good. There's still a gap. I'm pretty sure it's because of this metal piece right there that's bent upwards, so I have to fix that. And I do want to paint these clips black just so they're kind of more seamless. I don't like that white clear. To get this fixed to another spot somewhere. Oh, right there. If I take this off, you can see it, the bends right there. So overall, it's not bad. Okay, I got the bumper cleared off and clean, tacked. Now I just have to spray the primer, and then we're gonna spray the paint. So what that looks like on, this is 2 base coats. I'm gonna let it dry for like 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna spray with one more coat. Now I'm gonna let this sit, and then I'm gonna do clear. It's not bad. It's not bad. And this is rustic red. I have my mask on, so sorry if I sound a little muffled. But I'm gonna take it off. My hair's pretty big. So also I kind of wet the floor so the paint doesn't stick. This piece, oh no, this one. Bonded it and sanded this part right there because it had a nice little chunk missing. You can kind of see some of it, but whatever. It was a good inch worth of it missing. And then there's a few chips in there. It looks a lot better than it did before. Did that one. About to sand that. Not bad. Not bad for a rattle can. Sprayed the bumper. Runner fixed this, but it's a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna probably install everything back soon. I have to get these grommets pieces from the BMW dealership. I gotta get that frame fixed, but I'm not doing it right now. It's the last thing that needs to be done. I'm gonna pop these back into our holes. There's one that goes behind here as well. Everything should be ready to put back on. This is all done. Alright, I popped it in. This one right there. I gotta get this side one more. Pretty simple. Just take it and put it right in there. And then these clips behind here go inside. So you pop them in.